All right, do the D and E part. So, Anvi, why was there flags on the book?
Sir, which book, sir?
The one she was holding.
Sir, who, sir?
Anvi.
Sir, that's laptop.
Oh,
Okay, stylish laptop, Anvi. Oh.
Anvi, did
Sir,
you
that's
put up
from
Haiti
every
flag?
country.
Anvi, did you put up Haiti flag?
No, it's only from countries I've visited.
Oh, then you should visit Haiti.
Arey,
So,
you saw it on MUN.
Oh, huh, yes, I did.
so did you design it and put it?
No, sir, it's just random.
Sir, Anvi is quite the designer, sir.
But how can you exactly get those flags only? Did you paste the flags or anything? Ray, your second answer is wrong.
So for which one?
Fifth,
D
fifth,
and D.
fifth E is wrong.
This one.
And another thing I wanted to talk to you about, guys, next class, Wednesday, will be quite late, 7:45, since it's Choti Diwali. Can we keep it in the morning, 9 a.m.
It's a Wednesday.
Wednesday?
It's a Wednesday we have school. It's a Thursday we have.
No,
How will you have
Wednesday is
school?
Chutti. Wednesday is 30th, it's Chutti.
How?
Yes, Wednesday is Chutti. 30th,
Choti Diwali, guys.
first and second.
Tomorrow is school.
Ma'am said there is no chutti on 30th.
Who said every teacher is saying that there's Chutti on 20, every teacher is saying there's Chutti. Who is
Then you should
who
tell the
teacher?
teacher right now and then ask. Then we'll have direct evidence.
Who is the teacher that said that?
Everyone.
No teacher said that.
All right, Ray, now your answer is correct.
So you
So
did
guys, अगर आपकी
answer.
लीव होती है तो 9 o'clock करेंगे, लीव नहीं होती है तो we'll stick to the same. ठीक
Sir,
है?
10 o'clock, sir, not 9 o'clock, sir.
यार उठ जाना एक दिन यार, सबको मुझे भी तो काम करने रहेंगे, दिवाली है.
Yes, sir.
What's the page number? 264. ये कुंवर को ये डाउट है. 14th क्वेश्चन. So Mr. Kuvarsa, what is axle load of a 44-ton HGV is about 15 times that of a car, and damage to road surfaces was directly proportional to the force power of the axle load. So damage by HGV is DH is proportional to what? Axle load, fourth power of the axle load. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Damage by HGV is equal to K times A4.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, damage by car is equal to K times A4, where small a is the axle load of a car.
Okay.
So you divide these, K and K will get cut. So DH over DC will be equal to A upon A to the power 4. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Now this axle load is 15 times that of a car. So I can write as 15 upon 1 whole to the power 4. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
That's my answer. Okay.
Okay. Sir, actually, a school teacher did 2 to 3 methods, and each method has a different answer, so I got confused.
Which page were we on? 264.
Sir, sir, can I leave?
Why?
Sir, there is a party at my house today.
Oh, sir, Anne is leaving class for a party, sir.
You are leaving the class for a simple party?
Sir, it's at my house.
So what, Anvi, you can
And
study?
and you haven't even invited me?
Me
Sorry,
too.
sir, you can come.
Now this is too late. No, even not even a flight or a personal helicopter would, make me reach your house.
It's okay, sir. I'll keep a special party for you.
Then you also have to invite llamas also.
So if you
Yes.
if you promise you will keep a special party for me, and have you gone through the last recording?
I've gone through it.
You understood the difficult questions?
Yes, sir, I understood.
Okay, then you can leave. Bye bye. Enjoy.
Thank you, sir. Please send the recording.
Yes. We are on 360 page. So we will make the flow diagrams for the following function. For example, look here at the flow diagram of 3x minus 1. So my function is 3x minus 1. So how did I make the flow diagram? First, you multiply by 3. Then what will happen? You get 3x. Then you subtract 1, you will get 3x minus 1. Understood? Okay. So next, do the example 2. So Ray, can I borrow the personal helicopter for you for attending Anvi's party?
So what helicopter?
Your personal helicopter.
Sir, I don't have helicopters, as Samir has. Sir, I have Lego helicopters.
No.
So nobody can sit in that, only llamas can.
Okay. Do the example 2. So how will you send the flow diagram? Either you can write dot dot like this. So first you can take x, then this arrow you can make by this sign. Yes, then you can write whatever you want. So start from x in the flow diagram. So when will you tell me about Wednesday's school, if there is a school or not?
Sir, I'll confirm tomorrow. So they'll tell tomorrow.
Okay, fine. Do you have a school tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
All right. And Friday there will be a leave off because of Diwali. Then we'll do the class on
So
Saturday.
Thursday to Sunday we have.
Sir, when is Diwali? Sir, is it on 31st or 1st?
Like there is a lot of confusion going on.
Yes, sir.
I'll give you a leave on Friday.
Sir, some people are saying that it's on 31st. Some people are saying it's on 1st. But
Yeah.
I think basically it's on 31st night and 1st morning.
So whenever it is, I will give you a leave on Friday.
If anyone wants patake, come to my house. I have lots of patake.
All right, all right. Do the question.
Diwali for me.
Good evening, Tani. You have joined right on time. We didn't do much. Drive safely, better. इस बचा क्या आपकी ब्रश बुक में? सभी खत्म करा दिया, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री बची है बस। ट्रिग्नोमेट्री तो बहुत इजी है। रे, आपने लिखने में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम लग रही है मुझे आप स्क्रीनशॉट भेज दो।
Sir, I've sent you the screenshot.
So I have sent you the screenshot.
बेटा, you will have to write in words समय। Understood?
Okay, sir, I will write in words next time.
No, there is no next time. We are doing just
Sir,
one
I
question.
send screenshot.
Okay,
It goes to
sir, I
you
will
also,
write it and
Kuvar.
send.
Yes, please write it and send me again.
Yes, sir.
You too, Kuvar.
Yes.
Only Mr. Ure got a heart. Ray, you also have to write in words.
Okay, sir.
Sir, are my C and D parts correct?
Yes, you got a tick for them only.
So then how should I write for A and B?
So see, the first step you got X.
Sir, I sent you.
Then you multiply by 2.
So I have to write in words.
Yes, you will get what? 2x.
Hmm.
Okay. Can you continue now?
Yes.
Let me check Sama. बेटा ये भी तो लिखना पड़ेगा 2x. मेरे बेटे जैसे जैसे जो बनेगा वो लिखना पड़ेगा ना कंप्लीट
Okay,
करके.
sir. Okay, sir. I will write and send again. Sir, I sent you an HD picture this time, sir.
Okay, Sama. Mr. Kuwarsa, you also send your answer. बेटा यू हैव टू राइट ना जो मिल रहा है यहाँ पे देखो सेकंड क्वेश्चन में कुवर आपने लिखा नहीं. यू हैव टू राइट लाइक दिस जैसे मल्टीप्लाई बाय माइनस 7x.
Sorry.
ऐड 5 किया तो 5 माइनस 7x. यू हैव टू राइट स्टेप बाय स्टेप. गाइस इसमें मार्क्स लूज कर दोगे आप अननेसेसरीली. कौन सा करना है? 14th कर लो. ये क्वेश्चन करना है अच्छे से कर लो. एंड इफ यू गेट इट रॉन्ग फिर ये फालतू क्वेश्चन और करने पड़ेंगे. स्कूल में कौन सी एक्सरसाइज तक हो गया है?
So we're doing 11.2.
इन कोवर इन योर क्लास
8.3.
8.3. आपकी क्लास स्लो है क्या?
Yes, sir. हमारी क्लास का सपोर्ट स्लो है.
डोंट मेक मिस्टेक गाइस बिकॉज इसमें मिस्टेक हुआ तो और क्वेश्चंस करने पड़ेंगे.
Sir, how to do this question?
आई विल एक्सप्लेन तानिश.
Sir, we have to write in that way, in words way.
यस. तो तानिश see this question 3x square upon तानिश बेटा we are in talking terms ना.
Yes, sir.
तो अगर आपको कुछ क्लियर नहीं हुआ मुझसे डायरेक्टली बोल सकते हो ना बेटा.
Yes, sir.
So see first if I have to draw a flow diagram I will start with x.
Yes, sir.
Then I will square it. तो आप लिख दो स्क्वायर. तो क्या आ जाएगा फिर स्क्वायर करोगे x को तो
x square
x स्क्वायर देन डू टाइम्स 3 क्या बन जाएगा
3x square
3x स्क्वायर देन डू व्हाट विल यू डू टेल मी इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करेंगे
divide by 2
डिवाइड बाय 2 क्या बन जाएगा
3x square upon 2
3x स्क्वायर अपॉन 2 देन फिर क्या करेंगे
plus 5
+5 वी विल राइट ऐड 5 और +5 क्या आंसर हो जाएगा 3x
3x
स्क्वायर अपॉन 2
upon 2
प्लस सिमिलरली डू दिस क्वेश्चन नाउ 14th अब समझ आया
yes sir 1 minute I've just read home I'm switching to my
यस
laptop
ओके समा रियांश बेटा दो डूइंग वर्टिकली इज नॉट रॉन्ग बट डू इट हॉरिजॉन्टली फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट टाइम ठीक है
Yes, sir.
Uversa, send your answer. Sent. Okay. So Tanish Gupta, send your answer for the 14th question.
sir 1 minute sir where did the 14 question
Yes, what are you saying, Tanish?
14th question
How to do?
no sir where is it
Where is it? Open your book.
where should I bring it
Yes, you should bring it. पहले आप 24 कर लो ब्रेक में कर लेना आ जाएगा तानिश रुक जाओ पहले ये क्वेश्चन कर लो
मेरे पीछे
ना
स्कूल
पीछे
का बैग पड़ा
अभी पहले 24 कर लो फिर हो जाए तो फिर ले आ। ये जल्दी स्कूल ने पूरा सिलेबस कंप्लीट करा दिया है।
Percent का आंसर।
Rami, are you able to understand? No. वैल्यू पुट करना आता है आपको? व्हाट डू यू नो हाउ टू फाइंड एच ऑफ जीरो? याद है, भूल गए? हम्म, भूल गया। सपोज मुझे एच ऑफ टू फाइंड करना है, तो मैं एक्स की जगह टू पुट कर दूंगा, 2² + 1। एच ऑफ टू मेरा क्या हो जाएगा? 5। भी याद आया?
Yes, sir.
अब आप कैन यू फाइंड एच ऑफ जीरो, के ऑफ जीरो, के ऑफ टू? अपने आप आंसर आ जाएगा।
Okay, sir.
Danish, remove your headrest. ये स्थानी आया कि नहीं आया? बेटा अनम्यूट रखो जब तक आए नहीं। Are you able to solve or not, Tani?
No, sir.
बेटा स्पीक अप, थोड़ा जोर की बोलो ना।
No, sir.
Yes or no?
No, sir.
What is h of 0?
Sir, one.
1. What is k of 0?
Sir, I don't know.
बेटा यहाँ पे पुट करो ना, k of x में k of 0 पुट करो, क्या आएगा?
Sir, zero.
0 क्यों आएगा? x में 0 डालोगे ना, a into 0 + b, क्या होगा k of 0?
Yes, sir.
क्या होगा बताओ, जल्दी बताओ।
Zero.
क्या?
Sir, zero plus B. Zero plus
केवल
B.
b होगा ना?
Yes, sir.
Now these are equal, so b equal to 1. Do you understand or no?
Yes, sir.
Then put k of 2 equal to 15, क्या होगा बताओ, जल्दी बताओ। What will be k of 2? जल्दी से।
Sir, five.
5 कैसे होगा? x की जगह 2 पुट करोगे ना। ये इक्वेशन दिख रहा है k of x ax plus b।
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे x की जगह 2 पुट करो, क्या आएगा? बेटा x की जगह 2 पुट करो ना।
Sir, 2a
2a, बस केवल 2a आएगा।
plus b plus 1.
प्लस b, तो b की जगह 1 लिख देंगे। नाउ दिस इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 15 यहाँ दिया हुआ है। सो व्हाट विल बी a देन?
7.
7। गाइस 23rd और सॉल्व कर लो, क्लियर हो जाएगा। बेटा इट्स वेरी इजी। जस्ट आप लेट ज्वाइन करते हो ना, आप कॉन्फिडेंस लूज कर देते हो, आपको लगता है पता नहीं क्या चल रहा है। हार्डली हमने सिंपल सा एग्जाम्पल किया था इससे पहले। Yes, Tanish. Want to send the answer? Guys, can I make a phone call till you guys are doing? I just want to make an urgent phone call. Tanish, now you can do that question बेटा जो previous question था 14th. और एग्जाम्पल भी कर लेना एक बार तानिश, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
एग्जाम्पल क्वेश्चन भी कर लो, अपने आप समझ में आ जाएगा पूरा. So Ray and Kuvar, Ray and Kuvar, send your answer, guys. It's been long.
Sir, I had solved it, but I got disconnected.
Your answer.
What, sir?
Answer. You said na you have solved it. Acha. You have sent.
Yes.
Fine. Ray, you can speak your answer.
Answer is 2b is minus 5.
B is minus.
5.
Yes, A is 2, B is minus
Sir, I've solved the 14th question.
5. Okay. आप स्क्रीनशॉट भेज दो या फिर आंसर चेक कर लो. Guys, I hope you remember mapping domain range. याद है ना guys? Domain is the set of values that any
That's
function
correct.
can take. Means जो x values ले सकता है. And range is the final values, means the y values of the function that you get. So this was one-to-one function. Mr. Ray, just check your answer for the C part.
Yes,
In
so
Kuvarsa, you can speak your answer.
I think so this is the correct one.
Sir, the options already said.
All right. So now you have to make a mapping diagram. I hope you remember.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Wait. Same like आप two circles, ovals बनाओगे in which you will write domain and range. And then you will, in domain, you will write the permissible values of x. Which are the permissible values of x? These are. Like guys, जो हमने last function देखा वो 1 to 1 था. But what about this function? This will be many. This will be what?
Sir, this will be, sir, many to one.
Many to 1.
Sir, I've drawn it. Can I send it to you?
You can send me a screenshot.
Sir, we used to write it in any order or ascending order.
Better is to write in ascending order. Otherwise, कोई rule नहीं है कि आपको ascending में ही लिखना है. But for your school teacher, I can't say anything. So better you write in ascending order. इसके बाद एक probability chapter और आ रहा है ना?
Sir.
Today, Orion is, competing with Kuvarsa in his drawing skills.
Sir, last time Kuvarsa won, sir. Now who will win, sir?
Let's see. Wow, even Samay is competing.
Yes, sir. So this time I'm going to be the title holder.
So the winner is let me see. Ore's winner is Ore.
Sir, we want to see his winning drawing, sir.
Want to see his winning drawing?
Yes, sir.
I'll show
But
you.
this time I sent you a neat drawing.
Do the fourth question. फोर्थ का कौन सा पार्ट करोगे? कोई भी कर लो, एक पार्ट, ये पार्ट कर लो. Ray, you have to indicate arrows in the mapping diagram. Indicating arrows is important, Ray.
Suraj sent it to you, sir. Sir, please show us Suraj's winning drawing, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have Kuber's winning drawings photo. That last time. But
So, Ray, this time your answer is wrong, beta. They have given the range, not the domain. Correct it and send me again. आपका भी गलत है, समीव.
Yes, sir, I just realized that now.
Kuvarsa. Answer, please. Ranish, don't do this don't scratch your head in the class. Tanish, don't take out stuff from your head during the class. I want one prime drink, Tanish. How much sugar percent does the prime drink have? Bottle है, एक बार check करके बताना मुझे.
Sir, 0. Sir, it's sugar free.
No, हो ही नहीं सकता.
Sir, it is. Sir, the bottle is sugar free, I think.
No energy drinks are sugar free, Tanish.
I think it's caffeine free. Sugar is there.
हाँ कैफीन फ्री हो सकती है.
Sir, bottle है.
चेक करके बताओ उसमें 100 ml में शुगर दी होती है, कितनी ग्राम्स है या कितने
Sir,
परसेंटेज है.
fridge में पड़ी.
Sir, I sent it to you.
कुंवर आपने भी पहले मिस्टेक कर दी थी क्या, रेंज और डोमेन वाली?
Yes, sir, that's how he did it.
Ora, send your answer.
Sir, now we want to see Ore's winning drawing, sir.
ओरे की विनिंग ड्राइंग देखनी है?
Yes, sir. Sir, and we also want the winner who won this time.
It's Ora only.
Oh, yes, sir. Both drawings, sir. Then we need.
So you see, guys, this is the latest picture. This is the picture before that.
Oh.
And this was the winning picture.
Oh my God. Sir, Ore is a true artist.
Yes. ठीक है guys, फिर next Wednesday को मिलते हैं, and let me know if you have a school on Wednesday. What is this?
सर शुगर में तो सर शुगर तो लिखी ही नहीं हुई।
लिखी होती है 100%, मुझे क्लिक करके भेजो बस।
Winning drawing.
Oh, Kuvar Sa's winning drawing.
कैफीन फ्री लिखा है।
कैफीन फ्री होता है, पर शुगर हर ड्रिंक में लिखी होती है, इट्स कंपलसरी। देखो आप, जो कंटेंट होता है ना, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, देखो ये छोटा छोटा लिखा हुआ है।
Sucrose, maltose.
मैं अमेजोन पे सर्च कर लूंगा, रहने दो।
Carbohydrates.
सर
चलो
स्वीटनर्स
guys,
लिखा है स्वीटनर्स।
हाँ, sweet या sugar ही
तो
होगी।
sugar ही हो गया।
कितने ग्राम्स है बताओ?
लेकिन वो इंग्रेडिएंट्स में लिखे हुए है, ग्राम्स नहीं लिखे हुए।
अबे यार, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स
उसमें तो बहुत है।
ग्राम्स है। कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स कितने ग्राम्स है?
0.5 grams।
Sugar is carbohydrate only.
यस, जनरली शुगर एंड कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स आर सेम।
Hmm.
चलो मैं
तो
सर्च कर
लिखा
लूँ।
carbohydrate of which sugars 0.5 grams।
So this is 500 ml, right? So it would be 2.5.
500 ml is 2 grams।
देखो मुझे ऑनलाइन मिल गया, शुगर है 2 grams in, शुगर इज वेरी लेस,
2 grams per mole.
शुगर्स जस्ट 2 grams।
यस सर वेरी
मैं ये व्हाइट और रेड ड्रिंक में देख रहा था, और कौन सा होता है व्हाइट?
राइस नहीं, व्हाइट और रेड कौन सी होती है? एक तो आइस पॉप होती थी।